Hello there. Our stormy spell of weather set to continue for the final few days of December. Certainly across the country at the moment, there is some fairly intense rainfall pushing in from the west. The brighter yellows and greens denoting the intensity of that rain, and it's going to continue to dominate for the rest of the day. Amber warnings are in force for South Wales and southern England. That means be prepared for some disruption due to the intensity of the rain and also the strength of the winds. Gales likely to push across the country, and as the day develops, the winds, if anything, will strengthen. We could see some further snow to the tops of the hills as well across Scotland. Here are our temperatures: 7 to 12 degrees, pretty academic with the cloud, the wind and the rain around. Perhaps the best of the weather into the afternoon reserved for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. But certainly for the early afternoon and into the evening rush hour, the rain is still going to be sitting there across the southwest. We're going to see a couple of inches, maybe more, of rainfall before this system clears through. Then the winds will really start to pick up through the latter stages of the day. Anywhere to the east of the Isle of Wight, across exposed coasts, could see gusts of winds at 80 miles an hour. Even inland, gusts of winds potentially to 60 or 70 miles an hour. So it's a wet and windy night. That rain still sitting across the southeast corner, perhaps not clearing towards dawn. And then the main emphasis of the weather shifts up into the far north and west. Our centre of the low sits to the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Gusts of winds here 70 to 80 miles an hour. There'll be some rain and blizzard-like conditions to the tops of the mountains. I'm pleased to say, though, things get a little quieter for the start of Christmas. Christmas Day itself, just a few isolated showers, but largely dry with some sunny spells around. Until then, please keep watching the forecast.